Hey guys, it's Tasha. Ay. I'm coming today because my daughter just gave me these things. And I had told her, I said, are those your green onions in the refrigerator? She said, yeah, and I'm done with them. You can have them and do what you want with them. I'm like, oh, okay, so y'all know what I'm going to do. They're going out in the garden. But first, I got this thing right here. I got a empty bottle. And I was starting to cut a hole somewhere in this thing. Can y'all see me? I'm sorry. Well, I'm going to cut a hole about right here. Well, not necessarily a hole, but I'm going to cut it maybe about right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some rainwater that I've harvested. And I'm going to just cut the bottoms off. And I hope I'm cutting almost straight. I did almost straight. That's a little bit off. And I'm going to drop them in right there until maybe about a week or two, and then I'm going to put them out in the garden.
Ready, Mommy?
This one,
Mommy, ready?
I don't know if she used this one or not. But it doesn't have any roots, so I'm going to go ahead on and cut that up. So these are actually going to be cut up, and I'm going to put them in a Ziploc baggie and put them in the freezer, or put them in here in this glass jar. I'm going to wash them, let them dry, put them in a glass jar, and freeze them for later usage. So let's go ahead on and do this real quick, because my bean baby wants me to play with him. He has built a fort in the living room, and he wants me to find him. So let's get this done. And I think, let me take this one out. I think they're all about the same-ish. Yeah. So I'm going to keep about this much. They say you only need like 1.5 inches, but I'm going to keep this much. I'm going to put those in here. And I am going to cut these up. And like I say, I'm going to rinse them, let them dry. And then I'm going to put them in that glass jar, which is an empty baby food jar. And that's a dog out here. And I'm going to put them in the freezer, so when I get ready to use them, I just go pop them in go to the freezer, grab what I need, and let that be the end of that situation. Okay? So I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to, will you be quiet, boo-boo? He don't want to hear, he's not listening to me. But I'm going to put some rainwater in here. I'm going to wash these. I'm going to put them in here to be put in the freezer. And I'm going to cut this one all the way up and rinse it and stuff too. And then I'll come back when I'm done. Guys, I'm back, and it's been about at least 24 hours. And these are the green onions that I just cut like yesterday, 24 hours ago. And this is rainwater. And look how much they have grown. Can you see that? Let me see if I can focus it. I'm gonna try. I may need to put it behind something. You see those good? You see this? That was fast. Let me put it right there. See if that'll help any. What if I get this? Let me put it right. Let me lay it down right here. See if I can't focus it. And y'all may be able to see it. It may be just me. There it is. Y'all see that, right? That's new. And how many of them are like that? 1, 2. Is that 2? No, 2. Right there. Oops. 2. 3. 3 of them. Is that 4? No, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4. 4 of them have done that in like 24 hours. So I just came to show y'all that. I don't know where I'm gonna put them at right now. I have been putting. Let me get this cleared up again. I had gotten some Vidalia onions, and a couple of them weren't the best. So I went on and cut the bottoms off. And I cut the onion itself up and put it in the freezer. but I'm gonna put in some water. That's one right there. That's one of the bottoms. And there's the other bottom. Let me see if I can find it. There's the other bottom right there. And then I got this right here. This is the third bottom. This is the one that I just did like yesterday. So it's gonna go up here with these things after a while. And okay, I think that's it for right now. Anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime, and I'll see you all in the next video. Oh, and let me go send you over that way. There's stuff. Let me get it. There's the watermelon patch. Alright guys, bye bye.